Hi guys! As you can probably tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to be covering a few of my beginner tips for becoming vegan. I know when I first went vegan I had so many questions, I didn't know where to start, but luckily these few tips really helped me out in getting started and taking on this new lifestyle. I'm going to share these with you and I hope that these help. If you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it, like it, comment. It really supports my channel and it lets me know what you like to see. My first tip is to educate yourself. There are millions of websites out there, as well as some great documentaries. I'm going to include a few in the description box down below that cover the ethical, health, and environmental reasons of veganism. I know a lot of people probably like my Instagram stories or like my meals and stuff and think, oh, that looks too complicated or too hard to cook, because it can be a little bit overwhelming when you have no idea what to do in the kitchen. But I am a firm believer that it is one of the most important things that you can do in life to learn to make nutritious, delicious food for yourself. Because that is the only way that you will be able to sustain a healthy lifestyle. If you always rely on eating out to give you something that you enjoy, then you're going to continue eating out because your cooking at home isn't satisfying you and you're more likely to eat unhealthy foods all the time. If you can learn how to make healthy meals that satisfy you, and at the same time make you feel good, you're going to stay healthier and you're going to be more successful with your new lifestyle. I think my ebook can definitely help you achieve that mission, and I'm going to pop that link in the description box down below as well. My next tip is surround yourself with supportive and like-minded people. Social media helps us connect in ways that would never have been possible a decade ago. You can connect with other vegans through Instagram or Facebook. There are so many platforms out there to help vegans connect with one another. If you're having family members who are being negative towards you, simply ignore the negativity and remain well informed. This is where my first tip, educate yourself, comes into play. The more you understand about your lifestyle, the less likely you are to be discouraged. You're probably wondering what I'm doing in the bulk section of my local supermarket, and this brings me around to my next tip, and that is to stock up. When your house is filled with all these vegan products, you're more likely to reach for those things and include them in your day-to-day life. This just makes it a lot easier for you when you're going to prepare your meals if you have things already on hand. Right now, I have dinner cooking right behind me, and that brings me around to my next two tips. First, cut the crap. If it's not around, you won't be tempted to eat it. Next, make sure you're eating enough. Your portion sizes on a vegan diet are going to be much larger than that of somebody on the standard American diet, and that is okay. Don't compare your portion sizes to other people. Focus on feeling satisfied. I just got back from the supermarket and I'm now going to show you how I make my apple goji muesli mixture. This is a great mixture to have first thing in the morning. You can add it to your smoothies, put it in your smoothie bowls. It's really great, top it on salads, very versatile. This also brings me around to my next tip, which is keep it simple. While I do believe this lifestyle opens up so many new options, don't think that you have to try everything that you see other vegans eating. If you don't like papaya, don't eat papaya. If you don't like arugula, don't eat arugula. Just do what works for you and what is best for your body. This muesli mixture is super simple and easy to make. I just use what I have available on hand in my pantry. It's just a mix of dried seeds and nuts as well as dried fruit. Start with a 1/4 cup of activated buckwheat or buckinis, 1/4 cup of pepitas, 1/4 cup of chia seed, a 1/4 cup of flaxseed, 1/4 cup of coconut flakes, 1/4 cup of macadamia nuts, 1/3 cup of goji berries. Goji berries are packed with antioxidants. They also help fight against free radicals, and they are rich in compounds with vitamin A. 1/3 cup of almonds, a tablespoon of hormone balancing maca powder, 1 tablespoon of hemp seed, and about a teaspoon of cinnamon, or more. Finally, I'm going to add my dried fruit. Here I have dried apples. This is what's going to give your muesli that nice sweet flavor. I love dried apples, and this is just what I had on hand, but you can use whatever dried fruit you have. You can use mango, banana, whatever you prefer. Like I said, keep it simple, do what works for you, do what you like, and that is how you will be most successful with your new lifestyle. Once you have all your ingredients in your jar, you get to shake it all up. This is my favorite part. This is what it should look like when it's all ready. This brings me around to my last tip, and that's have fun. Love yourself, love the environment, and love the animals. You got this.